Hello and welcome to week 3. For week 3, the first thing that you're going to do is complete your reading assignment. For the reading assignment this week, you'll locate and read 2 scholarly articles related to your topic. It's perfect timing because you're also going to do the library modules this week. So when you get into the review section, you're going to click on the link for the library instruction and you'll enter the online module here. This is for those of you working through an online learning module because you're engaged in an online class. This will walk you through, and you will note that at the end of it you will receive a completion credential, and you'll upload that here in the due section. So you're looking for those 2 scholarly articles, meaning that they are peer-reviewed articles from scholarly journals about your topic. This, like I said, the library instruction is going to help you navigate that, but many of you already have those skills, so feel free to go into Library One search in the library, the Oakland University library system, and then you'll be able to look for your for articles related to your topic. I'll be honest, often I start with that Google Scholar link first and then take those titles that I'm looking for over to OneSearch because I find Google Scholar to be a little bit more user-friendly as far as searches go, but it's up to you. Remember, these are not popular articles, so they're not going to be from a popular publication. They're going to be from a journal. All right, and then you're going to complete your annotated bibliography. This is the first of 2. This is due at the end of the week. You're going to set up your references on the first page in APA format, 7th edition. You can use that cite widget to get those citations and copy them over. You always want to look for any kind of, minor errors in that. You can always cross-check with something like the Purdue Online Writing Lab. After that, you're going to write the equivalent of a double-spaced 1-page summary of the key points of the article. So a 1-page summary of the key points within those sources. And then you're going to follow that with the strongest rhetorical appeal of the article's purpose, and the article's intended audience. So if you scroll down here, you'll see, that the strongest rhetorical appeal of this particular article in the sample is ethos. The intended audience is administrators and instructors, and the purpose of the article is to provide strategies, etc. So you're going to do that for both of your sources. This is due, as I said, at the end of the week. And you can see the link to submit that down here. The final thing that you're going to do for week 3 is discussion forum number 2. Remember, they are intended to be interactive. You're going to respond to the following questions in a 300 to 400 word response that makes both textual references, so at least has a quote or a summary from each article with an in-text citation, as well as integrates your own personal experience or observations. You'll make an initial posting as well as respond to 2 classmates' posts. You can look at that grading, discussion forum grading rubric in the course resources, and you have until the end of the week to complete this. The 2 articles are linked. They're both about increasing the minimum wage, kind of the positive and negative aspects of that for fast food workers. So I want you to think about those positive and negative aspects and ultimately decide whether it's going to benefit small businesses or not. Again, 300 to 400 word initial response with the textual references. You don't have to set up a references kind of page, or you don't have to cite the sources at the end of it. You just need to refer to them in the response itself. If you have any questions about the work this week, don't hesitate to ask.